Hey guys, good morning. Just wanted to shoot a quick video to show what me and Colton woke up to this morning. All right, my little man's over there making snow angels already. So hold on a second, let me flip this. Wow, Cooper, hold on. Talk to him, bud.
Hey.
Yeah, guys, look at all this snow that we got this morning, and it's still coming down hard. So he's out here enjoying it. This is his first big snow. We live in an area where we don't get a whole lot of big snows. Every 10 years or so, probably. What do you think, Colton? Ah, my. Yeah, buddy. All right, look, the dog likes it too. Coop, you like it? Huh? 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 All right, it's not the best snowball snow. It's kind of powdery. All right, guys. I hope you are safe wherever you are, and if you're close to where we are getting all this snow, stay warm and take them out, buddy.